Okay, here's a real treat for you antique fan lovers. Especially guys like you, Dwayne, and some of you others. This is another fan I had for quite some time, but didn't get around to filming. It's a circa 1930s GE table fan. Got this one when I was like 8 or 9 years old from some kind of trade store in a town called Baytown, kind of in the downtown area. This is a non-oscillating model, seeing that there's no gears for oscillation. This one could use some work on it, some cleaning out and oiling or what have you, but fortunately this thing still runs. So, let me show it off to you. Oh, one thing I need to show y'all before I continue. The bottom is missing bottom of the stand is like missing a base or bottom to it. So I need to get something to put on the bottom of this. But anyway. Oh, here it is running for you guys. Here's low. As you guys can hear, the motor to this has some kind of whine to it. It's pretty much of a whine to it. Pretty much shows that this is a shady pole motor. Low runs pretty slow on this. May need some oiling. Let that coast down, then I'll show you high. And here's high. Gives a really nice start up on high. It's really powerful on high, despite needing some oiling or cleaning out. Shut that off and give you the startup sounds from the back. Let's give you startup on low. And now high. And that's my 1930s GE table fan. Thanks for watching.